Cari amici, benvenuti a Milano. When people think of luxury in Italy, they usually think of holidaying in Lake Como. But imagine if you could live just an hour away in Milan inside a gorgeous villa. Now, in my experience in luxury real estate, if an affluent family wanted a home overseas, the conversation almost always started with London or New York. Today, it's increasingly starting with Milan. So why the shift? Part of the story begins in the UK. In 2025, the UK changed its long-standing non-dom tax rules. These rules had allowed foreign residents to avoid paying UK tax on income earned overseas. And for many international families, that was the moment they began rethinking where they wished to live and invest. Milan became the best bet. The city didn't suddenly become attractive, it always had the right elements. This is the home of Prada, Armani, Versace, Dolce Gabbana, being one of the world's fashion capitals. It's also a city of history, great food, timeless architecture, and incredible design. Few cities blend culture and everyday life quite like Milan. You could spend the morning at the Duomo, explore the Galleria Vittorio Emanuele, catch an opera at the Scala, or even see Leonardo's Last Supper. Then there's the real estate itself. Neighborhoods like Brera, Il Quadrilatero della Moda, Porta Nuova are amongst Europe's most desirable addresses. And compared to London or Paris, buyers often find much better value. New foreign residents can also avail Italy's very attractive flat tax regime. Additionally, Milan has excellent healthcare, international schools, easy access to the Schengen region, and strong business connections. Unlike cities where luxury is highly visible, Milan represents understated chic, impeccable style, and great nearby destinations such as Lake Como, the Italian Riviera, or the Alps. For families, there's another advantage. Milan is home to some of Italy's best international schools and universities, making it an easy choice to put down roots. As my colleague Diletta, head of residential at Italy Sotheby's International Realty says, today's buyers want more than prestigious addresses. They want to be enriched by culture, cuisine, and design. They value connectivity and long-term stability without losing authenticity. And that is what Milan offers. People aren't choosing the city of fashion for one reason. Milan is the choice because here, everything comes together. If you're thinking about owning a home in Milan, we'd love to help. Reach out to us at India Sotheby's International Realty to explore curated listings in Milan. Arrivederci, vediamoci a Milano.